Hello friends, let me share with you a simple restaurant style chili chicken recipe. I have taken 250 grams of chicken boneless cubes which I am marinating with salt, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce and mix it well and let it rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I am adding 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1.5 tablespoon of maida and 1 beaten egg. Once the egg is added, fry it immediately. Fry the chicken till it turns golden brown. Once it is done, take it aside. Now let's start making the sauce. I am taking 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, 4 tablespoons of tomato sauce and half a tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder. This will give a good color and spice. 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Mix all of this together in half cup of water. Once the sauce is ready, let us keep it aside. Now take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. To it, add 1 chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger. Saute it till it becomes light brown. Now add to it 1 cup of diced onion, 1 green chili cut into small and half a cup of diced capsicum. Now add salt to taste and saute till it becomes light brown. At this point, let us add the sauce to it and let it cook for 2-3 minutes so that it comes to a much thicker consistency and the corn flour is cooked well. Now you can check the salt. If required, you can add more salt. Add the chicken pieces and mix well. Now let's garnish it with spring onion and serve it hot.